Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. We are in Monjo and heading towards Namche Bazaar now. This is my squad, Sushant and Santosh. So this is our day 3 and we are heading towards Namche today. It's 10 AM now. We are starting from Monjo. The before days were very tiring because we had no sleep. At 2 AM we had to take the bus to move towards the flight. So we had no sleep and yesterday night we slept a lot. And now we are fresh and ready to go for Namche. So once you get out of Monjo, you will have to come to this permission place. This is where you will get the national park permit, and you have to also show the municipality permit which you took from Lukla here, and then you have to pay 1500 if you are an Indian, and for a foreigner you need to pay 3000. So I would suggest if you are a foreigner, then do take this national park permission from Kathmandu, and all you will have to do is just get a stamp here, and it's pretty easy to move on quickly. Look at these amazing people carrying so much of weight. Me here with just 17-18 kilogram. I'm suffering and he's carrying more than 35. It's steep step climbing all the way till the 2 bridges. So on the way from Monjo to Namche, you have this double-decker bridge. You can see the 2 hanging bridges there. It looks such an amazing view here, with river stream passing downwards and then surrounded by the mountains. Now we are at an elevation of 2935 meter and Namche is just 4 kilometer, which will approximately take 2 hours for us to reach. This bridge has an awesome view. Wow. Look at those mantra flags. They give such a positive vibe. So before you enter into Namche, you have to show your permit of national park entry and the municipality permit here. This is where you need to show it. It is 3 PM now and we are at Namche Bazaar. This here you can see. So it took us 5 hours to come here. We started at 10 from Monjo. We had quite a lot of breaks on the way. So when you guys start from Monjo, you have nothing in between till you reach Namche Bazaar. You have nothing on the way. So when you start from Monjo, make sure you have a heavy breakfast and carry some snacks for the way. On the way from Monjo to Namche, you have small stalls where they do provide with water and some apples that you can buy, but other than that, no food at all. Now we are at an elevation of 3,405 meters. These are the prayer wheels. This is the room view. From here you can see this wonderful mountain view. So it's a wonderful room that we have got. And for this you need to pay 500 Nepali rupees, and this is like a fixed price all over Namche Bazaar. So per head you have to pay 500, and it is twin sharing basis room. The rooms are really nice. The sheets and everything is very clean. The food is very yummy in the canteen, and it's 500 NPR. No matter where you see in Namche Bazaar, the prices of the hotels are same, but this hotel has clean toilets and wonderful canteen with good food. So I would suggest to come to Khumbu Lodge for sure. This is the restaurant inside Khumbu Lodge. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.